Good morning students. Welcome back to Zoology online class. Last class we have studied about world of microbes. Have you remember? Did you learn the previous portion? Yes? Okay. What are the shapes of bacteria? Bacteria are classified into three shapes, isn't it? The first one is concave, second one is bacillate, third one is spirilla. Spherical shaped bacteria are called concave. Rod shaped bacteria are called bacillate. Spiral shaped bacteria are called spirilla. These are the shapes of bacteria. Next question. Differences between vira and viroids. What is vira? The protein-free pathogenic RNA of virus is called viroids. The protein-free pathogenic RNA of virus is called viroids. What is virion? A simple virus particle is called virion. A simple virus particle is called virion. Clear? Did you learn? Okay. So next question. Types of viruses. What are the types of viruses? They are plant virus, animal virus and bacteriophages. The first one, plant virus. Virus that infects plants. Example, tobacco mosaic virus. Second one, animal virus. The virus that infect animals. Example, adenovirus. Third one, bacteriophages. Virus that infect bacterial cells. Example, T4 bacteriophage. Okay. Shall we move to today's class? Today we are going to learn about applications of microbes. Microbes are important in agriculture as well as industries. Okay. The first one is microbes in agriculture. Microbes play an important role in agriculture as biocontrol agents and biofertilizers. So microbes play an important role in agriculture as biocontrol agents and biofertilizers. The first one is microbes as biofertilizers. Microbes as biofertilizers. Microorganisms enrich the soil with nutrients are called as biofertilizers. What are biofertilizers? Microorganisms enrich the soil with nutrients are called as biofertilizers. Example, bacteria, cyanobacteria and fungi. Nitrogen is one of the main sources of plant nutrients. Atmospheric nitrogen has to be converted to available form of nitrogen. This is done by microbes either in free living conditions or by having symbiotic relationship. Example, Acetobacter nastar. Clear children? So, microorganisms help us many ways. The first one, microbes as biofertilizers. Okay, that is enrich the soil and make the soil fertile. Example, bacteria and cyanobacteria. Okay. Next, what they are doing? The atmospheric nitrogen is converted into available form of nitrogen. Okay. This is done by microbes. How they are doing? Either in free living conditions or by symbiotic relationship. Example, Acetobacter nastar. Okay. Next function. Microbes as biocontrol agents. Microbes as biocontrol agents. Microorganisms used for controlling harmful or pathogenic organisms and pests of plants are called as biocontrol agents. What are biocontrol agents? Microorganisms used to form controlling harmful or pathogenic organisms and pests of plants are called as biocontrol agents. Examples: Bacillus thuringiensis, one of the bacteria. Okay. It's a species of bacteria that produce a protein called cryo protein. Okay. So which protein it produces? It produces a protein called cryo protein. The protein is toxic to the insect larva and kills them. Spores of thuringiensis are available in sackets, which are dissolved in water and sprayed on plants infected with insect larvae. Okay. How microorganisms are controlling the pest as well as harmful pathogens? They are available in the form of powder. When we apply it on the plants, it will kill the pest as well as disease causing organisms. Clear, children? Have you got it? Okay. Next one, microbes in industries. In industries, how microorganisms are important. Okay. So microorganisms play an important role in production of wide variety of valuable products for the welfare of human beings. Okay. First one is production of fermented beverages. Production of fermented beverages. So beverages like wine are produced by fermentation of grapes fruits by Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The bacteria Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it make the fruits fermented form. That fruit name grapes. Second one is curing of coffee beans, tea leaves and tobacco leaves. Here the beans of coffee and cocoa, leaves of tea and tobacco are fermented by bacteria Bacillus megaterium. Bacteria name Bacillus megaterium. Okay. It will help to make the tea leaves fermented form. Okay. Next one, production of curd. We all know, isn't it? Milk is converted into curd with the help of bacteria Lactobacillus species. Okay, which bacteria help to convert the milk to curd? Lactobacillus. So next step, production of organic acids, enzymes and vitamins. Oxalic acid, acetic acid and citric acids are produced by fungus Aspergillus niger. Enzymes like leafases, invertase, protease and glucose oxidase are derived from microbes. Yeast are rich source of vitamin B complex. So yeast contains more vitamin B complex. Oxalic acid, acetic acid and citric acids are produced by the fungus name Aspergillus niger. Okay. The fungus Aspergillus niger helps to produce oxalic acid, acetic acid and citric acid. Some of the enzymes like lipase, invertase, protease and glucose are derived from microbes. So microbes play a vital role in industries also. Next one, microbes in medicine. Okay. This is important to all human beings as well as animals, isn't it? So the main medicine is antibiotics. Okay. So these are metabolic products of microorganisms which in very low concentration, okay, it will kill the microbes or it will prevent the disease causing microorganisms. Okay. In the year 1929, Alexander Fleming produced the first antibiotic penicillin. So who produced the first antibiotic penicillin? Alexander Fleming. In which year he produced? In the year 1929. 1929. Okay. What is that antibiotic? Penicillin. This is from fungi. It is from fungi. In human beings, antibiotics are used to control infectious diseases like cholera, diphtheria, pneumonia, typhoid, etc. Okay. So, what are the diseases it helps to cure? The antibiotics. So, diseases like cholera, diphtheria, pneumonia, typhoid. Clear, children? Have you got it? Okay. Next one, vaccines. These are prepared by killing or making the microbes inactive. These inactive microbes are unable to cause disease but stimulate the body to produce antibodies against the particular microbes. So, what is the use of vaccines? These vaccines stimulate the body to produce antibodies against the particular disease causing microbes. Clear it? Okay. So, microbes are play a vital role in agriculture, industries as well as medicine. The first one, microbes play a vital role in agriculture. What are the things we studied? Microbes as biofertilizers. What are they? Microorganisms make the soil fertile. So, they are called as biofertilizers. Second thing, microorganisms convert the atmospheric nitrogen in the available form of nitrogen. This is done by free living conditions or symbiotic relationship. Example, and Acetobacter nastar. Acetobacter nastar. Clear? So, next what is the use? Microbes as biocontrol agents. Microbes as biocontrol agents. So, here what they are doing? They are controlling the harmful or pathogenic organisms and pests. So, they are called as biocontrol agents. What are biocontrol agents? They are controlling harmful or pathogenic organisms and pests of plants. Okay. So, they are called as biocontrol agents. Example, Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay. So, with the help of Bacillus thuringiensis, what they are doing? They produce a toxic protein called cryprotein. This bacteria produce a toxic protein called cryprotein. This protein is toxic to the insect larva and kills them. Okay. When we dissolve in water and spray it on the plants, it will kill the insect larva. Clear it? So, what are the role of microbes in agriculture? So, two steps. The first one is microbes as biofertilizers. Second one, microbes as biocontrol agents. Clear? The first one, microbes as biofertilizers. What are the examples you studied? Cyanobacteria, bacteria and fungi. Okay, they are make the soil fertile. Next, converting the atmospheric nitrogen. Example, what are they? Acetobacter nastar. Clear? Next, biocontrol agents. Bacteria name Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacteria name Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay. Next, industries. What are the role? So, they are making beverages. Okay. So, example, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Next, making tobacco leaves and tea leaves. So, bacteria Bacillus megaterium. Bacillus megaterium. Okay. Next, conversion of milk to curd. Isn't it? Which one doing? Bacteria name Lactobacillus species. Lactobacillus species. So, next, medicine. Here the fungi name. What is that fungi? Penicillin. Who discovered? Alexander Fleming. The scientist Alexander Fleming. In which year he discovered? He discovered year 1929. 1929. Okay. What is the name of antibiotic? Penicillin. Antibiotic name penicillin. What is the use of this antibiotic? It will help to cure the diseases like cholera, diphtheria, pneumonia, typhoid. cholera, diphtheria, pneumonia, typhoid. Clear it? Okay. Now we can see some of the microorganisms, type of microorganisms, and what are the antibiotic produced. Okay. Class of microorganisms. The first one is bacteria. Class of microorganism, bacteria. Type of microorganism, Streptomyces crassus. Antibiotic produced, streptomycin. What is antibiotic? Streptomycin. Second one, type of microorganism, Streptomyces erythraeus. Streptomyces erythraeus. Antibiotic produced, erythromycin. Once again, class of microorganisms, bacteria. Class of microorganism, bacteria. Type of microorganism, Streptomyces crassus, streptomycin. Antibiotic, streptomycin. Streptomyces erythraeus, antibiotic, erythromycin. Next, fungi. Type of microorganism, Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. Antibiotic produced, penicillin. Antibiotic produced, penicillin. Okay. Next, type of microorganism, Cephalosporium acrimonium. Cephalosporium acrimonium. Antibiotic produced, cephalosporin. Antibiotic produced, cephalosporin. Clear? These are the antibiotics produced by microorganisms. Next, types of vaccine, name of the vaccine and disease. Okay, what are the vaccines produced from microbes and what are the disease it will cure it, we can see. The first one, type of vaccine, live attenuated. Live attenuated. Name of the vaccine, MMR. Disease, measles, mumps and rubella. Measles, mumps and rubella. Name of the vaccine, BCG. Disease, tuberculosis. Disease, tuberculosis. Next, type of vaccine, inactivated. That means killed antigen. Okay, type of vaccine, inactivated, killed antigen. Name of the vaccine, inactivated poliovirus. Inactivated poliovirus. Disease, polio. So, from live attenuated vaccine, MMR and BCG. MMR helps to cure the disease measles, mumps and rubella. Measles, mumps and rubella. BCG, it helps to cure the disease tuberculosis. So, what is the use of BCG? Help to cure the disease tuberculosis. Okay. Inactivated poliovirus helps to cure the disease polio. Cure the disease polio. Next, type of vaccine, subunit vaccines. Okay, subunit vaccines, that means purified antigens. Purified antigens. So, name of the vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine. Disease, hepatitis B. What is the disease? It helps to cure hepatitis B. Type of vaccine, toxoid. What is the type of vaccine? Toxoid. Name of the vaccine, tetanus toxoid. Shortly we used to say TT. Tetanus toxoid. Disease, tetanus. Disease, tetanus. Name of the vaccine, diphtheria toxoid. Diphtheria toxoid. Disease, diphtheria. Disease, diphtheria. So, from toxoid, what are the vaccine is there? Tetanus toxoid and diphtheria toxoid. Tetanus toxoid helps to cure the disease tetanus. Diphtheria toxoid helps to cure the disease diphtheria. Clear? So, type of vaccine, name of vaccine and disease. Type of vaccine, live attenuated, inactivator, subunit vaccines and toxoid vaccines. Clear? So, under live, MMR, BCG, disease, measles, mumps and rubella and tuberculosis. Okay. Inactivated vaccine, name of vaccine, polio virus, helps to cure the disease polio. Helps to cure the disease polio. Subunit vaccine, name of the vaccine, What is the name of vaccine? Hepatitis B vaccine. Hepatitis B vaccine. Disease. It has to cure the disease hepatitis B. Hepatitis B. Last one, toxoid. Tetanus toxoid. The disease tetanus. It has to cure the disease tetanus. Diphtheria toxoid. Vaccine name diphtheria toxoid. It has to cure the disease diphtheria. It has to cure the disease diphtheria. Okay. So next one, microbes and diseases. Microbes and diseases. Disease can be defined as impairment or malfunctioning of the normal state of the living organisms that disturbs or modifies the performance of vital functions of the body. What is disease? It can be defined as an impairment or malfunctioning of the normal state of living organism that disturbs or modifies the performance of vital functions of the body. In shortly we can say it modifies the vital functions of our body. Clear? Disease can be classified into 4 types. Okay. So what are the types? 4 types. They are the extent of occurrence. Okay. Extent of occurrence. That means endemic, epidemic, pandemic or sporadic. Second one, whether infectious or non-infectious. Third one, types of pathogen, whether caused by bacterial, viral, fungal or protozoan infections. Fourth one, transmitting agent, whether airborne disease or waterborne or vector-borne. Okay. So based on these categories, the diseases are classified into 4. The extent of occurrence, whether infectious or non-infectious, types of pathogen, the fourth one, transmitting agent, whether airborne, waterborne or vector-borne. Clear? Now we can see one by one. First one is endemic. Okay, classification of disease based on occurrence. In that, the first one is endemic. Disease which is found in certain geographical area affecting a fewer number of people. Example, goiter in sub-Himalayan regions. Okay, here the disease affecting geographical area, a few people only it will affect it. Second one, epidemic. Disease which breaks out and affects large number of people in a particular geographical region and spread at the same time. Example, influenza. Here, a particular geographical area, it will affect large number of people. Okay. Next one, pandemic. Disease which is widely distributed on a global scale. Example, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS. Okay. So here the disease affected whole area, that means international level, global scale. Okay. Last one, sporadic. Disease which occur occasionally. Example, malaria and cholera. That is, the disease affect particular seasons only, not always. Okay. Once again, we can see classification of disease based on occurrence. Classification of disease based on occurrence. They are endemic, epidemic, pandemic, sporadic. Okay. What are they? Endemic, epidemic, pandemic, sporadic. What do you mean endemic? It is a particular geographical area affecting fewer number of people, not all. Okay. Less number of people, the disease will affect it. Example, goiter. Next one, epidemic. Here, a particular geographical area affect large number of people. Okay. So, endemic, less number of people. Epidemic, large number of people. Example, influenza. Okay. Third one, pandemic. That means the disease affect whole international level. Okay. So, AIDS we can see everywhere it is there, isn't it? Okay. Last one, sporadic. The disease affect only particular seasons, not always. Example, malaria and cholera. Okay. Clear it, children? Have you got it? Okay. So these are today's portion. Clear it, children? Okay. Shall we mark the questions? Take your book. Turn page number 271. Page number 271. Okay. First, Roman letter 11. Roman letter 11. Question number 2. Roman letter 11. Question number 2. Describe the role of microbes in agriculture and industries. Describe the role of microbes in agriculture and industries. Turn page number 261. Page number 261. See microbes in agriculture. Microbes in agriculture. So there you mark it. Till vitamin B complex, production of organic acids, enzymes and vitamins. Production of organic acids, enzymes and vitamins till vitamin B complex. Clear? Okay. Next question. Roman letter 9. Question number 1. Roman letter 9. Question number 1. Pathogen. Turn page number 270. Page number 270. Closer is there. Pathogen. A biological agent that causes disease to its host. A biological agent that causes disease to its host. Example, bacteria, virus, etc. Bacteria, virus, etc. Clear? Next question. Roman letter 9, question number 3. Roman letter 9, question number 3. Answer, turn page number 268. Turn page number 268. Immunization under vaccines and its types. Paragraph C. Vaccines and its types. First 3 lines. Vaccines are preparation of living or killed microorganisms, or their products used for prevention or treatment of diseases. Till there you mark it. Okay, thank you, children.